Okay, welcome back. I hope you had a nice Christmas. We're straight back into it now, and we're going to look at negative numbers. Okay, now just to remind you, okay, a negative number is a number that is less than 0. Okay, so if you look at this number line here, okay, what I've drawn for you, these numbers here are negative, and those numbers there are positive. These numbers here are less than 0. Those numbers there are greater than 0. So what I'm going to ask you to do is I'm going to ask you to order negative numbers, and we're going to look at putting them into ascending order. Ascending order, for those of you who are not sure, okay, are numbers that are put into order from smallest to largest. So let's have a look at this one first. Okay, 0, 1, -1, -7, 7, 3, and -8. Now looking at this number line here, okay, the smallest number will be the number furthest to the left. Okay, so if we're looking at this, we've got a -7 there, which is there, but -8 is further to the left. So -8 is our smallest number in that list. Now you might think because 8 on its own is the biggest number, okay, which 8 on its own is the biggest number out of that list, but it's not 8, it's -8, okay? So that's where we need to be careful. What we're going to do though, we're going to cross it off when we've dealt with it, okay? So we've dealt with -8. Now the next number that is furthest to the left is -7, okay? Cross it off. Now we need to pay attention now, okay? So the next number furthest to the left, okay, we've got 7, which is there, 3, 1, -1. So our next smallest number is -1. Okay, then we've got 0, because we're working our way along from the left to the right. So 0, cross it off. Okay, then we're left with 1, 3, and 7. Out of those three, you know that 1 is the smallest number. Okay, then 3, then 7. The positive numbers you should be fairly comfortable with, I'd say. I think it'll be the negative numbers that will cause the confusion. Okay, let's look at the next one then. We've got -10, 0, -2, 3, 6, -9, 9, and 5. Okay, so out of those numbers, which number is furthest to the left on the number line? Okay, it's -10. Cross it off when you've dealt with it. Okay, next one then. Okay, do we have a -9? We do have a -9 in that list. Okay, cross it off. Next one then, -2, and then 0. Okay, if you want to have a go at this on your own, by all means have a go at it on your own. Okay, then we got 0, which we've dealt with, crossed off. Then we're going to go 3, 5, 6, 9. I think the key thing for this, okay, is that you put out a number line first, okay, if you're struggling, okay? Put out a number line and then start marking off the numbers that are furthest to the left, okay? When you're going from smallest to largest, you go from the left of a number line to the right of a number line. If you're going from largest to smallest, you go from the right of the number line to the left of the number line. Okay, if you've got any massive issues with this, let me know. Okay, I can see there being a couple of problems, but just let me know. If I don't hear from you, have a good day, guys.